In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Sidebar from Brave browser. If your Brave browser feels a bit cluttered or you simply want a cleaner browsing space, removing the sidebar can help you get a more open and distraction-free interface. The sidebar is designed to give quick access to tools and features, but not everyone needs it visible all the time. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn it off in a simple and straightforward way so your browser looks more streamlined. To begin, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser fully loads and you are on your main window, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the menu icon, represented by three horizontal lines. This icon gives you access to all of Brave's main settings and customization options. Click on this menu icon to open the drop-down menu. After it appears, you will see a list of different settings and features arranged vertically. Take a moment to scan through these options, as this is where most browser controls are managed. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Sidebar. If you do not see it immediately, scroll through the list until you locate it. This setting is responsible for controlling the visibility of the sidebar panel that appears on the side of your browser window. Once you find the sidebar option, look to the right side of it where you will see its current status or toggle control. Click on the option to switch it off. Disabling this setting will immediately remove the sidebar from your Brave browser interface. The change takes effect instantly, meaning there is no need to refresh the page or restart the browser. As soon as it is turned off, the sidebar will disappear, giving you a wider and cleaner browsing area. This allows web pages to take up more space on your screen, improving visibility and reducing visual distractions. After completing this adjustment, your browsing experience will feel more open and simplified, with the full width of the browser dedicated entirely to the content you are viewing. And that is how you can quickly remove the sidebar from Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.